Welcome back, folks. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This one here is my large board, bass B flat, tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love. This flute here has a very deep, soothing, relaxing voice. It's very calming. It's easy on the, as you can see, the finger holes are just perfect on it. Shouldn't have any problems reaching these holes. On the bottom of this one here, it has some beautiful sapwood. It's a very beautiful flute. Very easy on the mouth, folks. And I'm going to do a very short sound sample and let you hear what this baby sounds like. I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase you one. If you like this voice, I will have it on sale. Large board, bass B flat, tuned to 528 Hertz. Beautiful. Thank you so much, folks.